the Kuriamian interview Kasuga Hasakotega Rajem Beru, Malaysia, Nota Singapore, Nadimuna Sehini and Gaumtakun Tafat Eki, Fursata Benova, Kudina Hasa, Vagutkolami, Vagutkolaki, Migoton on Tibefon over Hasa de Mehemanako, Migot Armenak Studio, Govadan Tibevi, my Befon introduced Kolia to Mase Kodana, Armenaku Bear Beflocus Badan Devati, Beflat, Gay Arme, Respect Kurumogoton, Armen, Ingresina, Dhivehi me interview Kuria Gendani. I would like to welcome Nixson Teng from Q Study Malaysia, Head of Marketing and Events, and Miss Fathimath Nathasha, my Q Study Expo Admission Manager. Thank you for joining us in this program. Just for the benefit of our viewers, we're just going to carry on this interview both in English and in Dhivehi as well.
Okay.
So just to kick it off, the first question which I would like to ask is, could you tell us a bit about Q Study and how long you have been in the business with regards to education?
Yeah. As first, Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone. Since 2017, Q Study is in this business in Malaysia, and until now, it's almost a decade.
मैं दिहा मियाँ की कदें अलम सवाल की को बात तो मैं दिवेही राज्य गा मैं माइक्यू स्टडी के में खरक्याता हुरी को तक में हाई सब ऐसा वायरोगा
Almeng emi further almeng oti mi MyQ study expo then a media weekend garme mi Korea gende Barcelona sandraga then edo kuding as a universities taka be gotong explore ko lafa mi eki universities taka visit ko huri opportunities taka ki ko bato a university offer kura programs taka ki ko bato ko me balali then I believe mi har inshallah kuding results mi edo mi ai then hama mi fursat ka ma huri ha kuding navas Bernum ve hama var bada congratulate ko lang ko dinga results hama var ufa ver duha ka var gina ko dinna vegen dani karne te mami duha ha ekkon almen hama 23rd ga mi anikka ves ege hama an bunanama continuation ne koriyam me dani yeto
just to make sure that we are on the same pie as well, you know, I mean, what are the benefits the students are getting through Q Study as well, and what are the key strengths of Q Study, if you would like to let us know for that?
Yeah. In terms of university, we have representing more than 45 universities in Malaysia. So we assist students to all these universities, including public and private university in Malaysia. And in terms of service, we are providing free services to all our students from the start of students' application, the university application, until students' arrival in Malaysia. So we also provide care and guidance services throughout the study journey of students. Yeah.
I think that's very key for most of the students, especially for those who are actually visiting Malaysia for the first time. I think there's a fear always when you go to a new country and how you're just going to go about it. But then again, if they have those services free of charge, which you're already providing, that would be very comfortable for the students to get in and, you know, start right away from their programs. Hama hala higoti ingato mi application day ge baha kaun menge badakka ehanto kubato kumasarige tafsir deng nota tarfe amena de fanto mi application day abehegoto
almege application day me oti mi far holumalega ingeto holumalega voters edge kame onnane den voters edge ki mi Mary Brown sarahaduga hona buildings toga mati game inna so 23rd community ane mi haveru fahakun dihayaka we will be there hama universities se koluga tibba wani den mi kudin hama as hama almenna mi anneruga they can come with their results then hama universities takung hama on the spot mi offer letter and hama eligibility check was ko dena le begin dane then mi albonani hama wala rangal fursatege ko denna as explore ko lang hama den kuring weekend galmenge program and mi join ko nulevunu kamuga via some application day as sama kudinna benu waitur mawlu mattaka kuri hori programs taka kudinna hori opportunities tabe sama ingigen dane mi application day ge terem so hama kuring na devunu kujeng hori yaves noni kuring as almena visit kolla for mi har already universities programs are decide kolla for tibi kudin ves hama application day and hum annavi ekudinga results ekko
so in expo what do you have any special thing all the time?
Yeah, for the expo we do provide students with free counseling, and we do give students some rewards including cashbacks, free flight tickets, and also the visa fee waiver. Yeah, so these are the benefits that can be directly benefit students.
Yeah. Then Natasha Fahakura Waffing to me, weekend Terega Bevuno event to get Fahum Miharo, then Itura decide Kurambedum Waku the Nunia, decide Kurefa could never me ever Hasa Wiging, but they on eternity are the Fahakura Wagutum Wagutan Hama offer letter Ebadibe, could jege me qualifications the bedum of Fahuga. Kobato me application and Hushalam Ben Wakujaka Noniam University application Waki Hasa program ka bad one they could come on a kin to register one Hadan.
Me alme aso first time fashion recording hama wada offer like faha kolang almenge me weekend event ang hama more than thousands hama couldn't participate within hama it was not only male genung ekanya no almen korea migendi expo hama addu gaya formula kaya sama expo korea dia then hama male event ave sama wada gina kudinge and parents ke taru balmena libigendi then hama egen be sama wada boda faha kodawuno kuding aso higher education beenum wawada ekantatan explore kodam beenum wawada den hama almeng application day ang anna iruka kujja apply kollam beenum wakama banya hama results a ekkon am almeng counselors tibbawane mi ekoluga hama huriha kudinna guide kolla dene den itura process kuriya gendani kihinetto ma e guidance kudinnan hama on the spot libi gendani den mi kuding al dennevi expo na devunu kujja some application day ang am ituran hama career choose kurang help beenum vies noni dane program e kujayang e wagutu nengun kamuga vies kujaga results sha kujaga interest balafa almen hama kujaya guide kolla denan help ves kod denan huri offers takaki ko bato korea deveni kom programs takakun ka kujaya madi emme rangalu emme beenum wakala result e nulibe kujaya same bote fursat almen na ko join kollagen as explore kollan ko bato den e kujaya hori fursat takaki
nan then derevinu wak fa kolle den applications takai kiga hama by far me payment taku takanche for tav sade viska pay echon nadba
almen my Q study expo ekon evs payment en almen ge mi services aka koding ata konno na gana ingeto den hama mi program mi hama almen kodin nang eka e guidance eke gotan almen kodde mi for kodde hidumate ingeto den ege iturun kodin dakkanje hori ha fee kis ekudin ekujja amilla university ekujja amilla dakkan fee ta but ege iturun my Q study expo ga mi de evs hidumate ka evs kujja ton evs fee en almen nonaga.
Okay, excellent. Next question is to you, of course. I mean, it's a very important question. I think usually we talk about students who leave from OLs or maybe from ALs. But then again, there are so many students, I mean, so many candidates who are working at the same time who would want to pursue more educational careers, who might have completed partially of some particular program, but then again want to pick it up from somewhere that which they have left before, but from a different university or maybe from a local program as well. So there are exemptions, I think, which you can do in terms of certain programs. Certain subjects might be exempted, but then again they have a chance to go for maybe a postgraduate or maybe bachelor's or maybe master's. What are the services that you are actually offering for these kind of students who are currently working but want to study in Malaysia?
Okay, so for students who are studying, working in Maldives and they want to study in Malaysia, for master and PhD programs, we do have research type of program, research mode. So for this research mode, students is quite flexible in studying time. So student can choose to study in Malaysia for, to do the research, and they will come back to Maldives and continue their works. Yeah. So we do also have other students from other countries. They are doing the same for master and PhD. Yeah. But unfortunately, for bachelor degree, students have to study full time.
Right. Yeah. Okay. I think mara muhim kame kanne gedatto engun kihinekkan e fursattam mihiri eves kahalaka scholarship mi faharu gati befunge mi event terega offer kurabanto ebo mi faharu
vada bavado mi opportunities ebo horingeto hama mi scholarships balala by universities takun hama by programs takang hama mi eki level ge scholarships tak eba offer kore there are 20% 50% scholarships noni by foundation programs takabe sama ebo hori scholarships eba offer kore hama applications of scholarships of balala vada bad opportunities but ibiden hama ege iturung almen mi expo ganoni almen mi faharo ki ane my Q study expo me doir kon apply kolla kom me kujaka ves ebali bigende vada bad benefits take mi geterega visa waiver noni either ticket noni mi cashback mi almen offer kora tin kanta tenge to hama mitano kommes ek kame komme kujaka ves libigendane den hama ege iturung addo nota formula kom ami travel koffa anna komme kujjaka mi hama ekudinnan ama free ticket vesalmen eba provide kola den so what a bad offers thing but den ege iturun hama bonani aso our main office is based in hama Malaysia ge iturun hama bad other universities are even there misal ka Canada Australia according with Dhivehi Singapore University is there. So it's not only Malaysia, but there are so many other opportunities kodinang aso explore kore vedane program ge tere. Ad plus almenge main office ekolaga space feinati and malega sama kodinang me students and help kodden mikolaga almenge office hen ini me ekkon hama wadan ekala me A to Z almbonani my Q studying kujakawa kollani hama A to Z mikolong my Q studying kujaki awang dam decide koda hisabum fishing almeng horiha process ega kuja guide koddena me adi parents of this a guidance digen almen koriya dani hema kala very free ko wadan hamaje hilagen kuja for no because every parent ka fase hen no ande to amela dadi full pair gaumakan ehen hama for no ala so we will cover all that we will guide the student throughout the process so that's some of our body strength thing albanani Q study
Kamsar ufawer habrata kadivse for buna vidana to me application day unani konta ko to de ha me kiga kobato hindusto ha me do embode tafatake
23rd ngeto 23rd Friday ga fahakun dihayaka horiha ko dimbe salm bonani annashe as me fursat ke beenon hifashe me vara rangal opportunity ke me being a person who has been in education field for the past 17 years alm bonani hama kudinna miyavvode rangal opportunity en asu nulibene as kudinge then next step up koriya dang if they are unsure me har annashe unsure yes adi komme result ka ekobes komme kujjaka bes opportunities ebahote mikolon dem darnawali ekal masekke kodamun job ka ulamonuni partially waki hisabakun kiyevun hottala fa kode dambeenun kodinna bes oti konfursite almbonani almenge application dega huriha kodinna bes komme kujjaka bes kommes kahal fursate libigen dane so as a balalashe almenna ko explore ko lashe ko bato ekujjaka ngeng opportunity yakite.
Right. Something which is unique, which I came to realize was since Q study is from Malaysia, but your social media, promotions and these things are promoting Singapore as well. Yes. Could you tell us a bit about that?
Yeah. Other than Malaysia, we are also promoting Singapore and other countries also. So in Singapore, we are collaborating with PSB Singapore, PSB Academy Singapore, where the student can get the UK or Australia certificates by studying in Singapore only.
Right. I think emme bodo swale goto den government anna swale ki tibe from thi offer kura universities over 45 universities ke wahaga dem fa kura within Malaysia itself me universities takun kiyawa khudin e kiyawa program te ki rajye ke MQA nuwata rajye ke qualification authority gabul kura universities tatto e furtuma ufeden emme bodo swal enon to den ama me ki kihawarege yagin kamitto tibe from khudin na shadi khudin e bedene wen ti debani tibe from ko frato me de hitumatu ke teren e khudinna me before kodde ani mi fursateki emme rangal fursateka begen danakama
me aldeneri mi far almena ko expo gaves baveri more than 20 universities me main komme university ki is MQA accredited universities mane ki and plus hama Malaysia gaves hama emme top universities almena ko mi far hama expo ga baveri gen dia hema quality wise sab balayiruga e assurance almen den hama horiha ko dennaves adi belade weri naves den hama ege iturun almenge services takaki hama miada jehendeves hama me we have been kuring almen denneve hama A to Z we have been covering the student we have been there for students hama me Malaysia ga almena ko miharis maseke viseba kore Malaysia in ga kiyawa fa me kolen asa hama almena ko join kollagen work kora kodin so I guess hama wada rangal opportunity ke vegen dane hama we have proven our reliability throughout the years and then miha baver universities almenak baveriwa kamaki as warabodu hekke kannege almenge me provide ko the service ke quality ge
just to sum up the interview what would you like to say to the students or what is the message that you would like to leave before we close up the interview?
Congratulations to all the students who got their results recently. And we are open for this university application day and do come and visit directly to meet the university representative and we can assist for the process of students application until their arrival in Malaysia. So other than Other than this embassy, I think we are the one who are taking care of students
Yeah.
throughout the life of their study in Malaysia.
Yeah. Natasha?
අල්ස් පුනනි උඩ කොදින්කගේ මේ ෆොර්සත් දෝකර නොලච්ච වඩ රංගල ඔපචුනිටි එකේ මේ මියද තිබුණු තිලිබුණු රිසල්ට්ස් ආයක දෙන් තිකොදින්ගේ ෆියුචර් ඉතුර කොරිය ගෙන්දන් මියද ති රිසල්ට්ස් ඉෆැගෙන් මාදම හුළුමාලගේ වෝටර් එජ්ජන් ඇස් අල්මෙන්ගේ යුනිවර්සිටි රෙප්‍රසෙන්ටේටිව්ස් ඉන්සා මීට් කොල්ලාෆ තිකොදින්ගේ ෆියුචර් ප්ලෑන් කොඩාෂේ එහෙම් බොඩානි පේරන්ට්ස් කැරිකස් පොනලානි එහෙ කොම්මේ කොජකවේ ඔපචුනිටි එබොතේ
Adorable Shukran, and thank you so much for actually being here with us. We hope that tomorrow's event would be a successful event. And we really appreciate the work that you guys do in order to provide these opportunities to the students of the Maldives. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.